YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna go over a quick review about this 70 mile tire pressure monitor system. As you can see, it shows that my rear left hand tire, it is low. I'm not sure why it's flickering on the camera, but it is not doing that. And as you can see on the lower left hand side, the battery it is fully charged right now. Since I installed this one is the solar panel. Since I installed this, I only used the solar panel to charge it because it's mounted already, glued it with the double-sided tape, and I haven't taken it out or to charge it with the cable. It is all based on solar, and it has been raining and stuff like that, and as you see, the battery still shows full. So the charging system or the solar charging system on this unit is pretty good. And on the left and right hand side, top and bottom, it shows the temperature in degree Celsius. So that means this tire, I need to pump some more air into it, or else I'm gonna decrease my mileage. So since it is blinking on the 1.8 bar, you give it an alert beeping. If it does that, I press the side button to mute it, and that would take away the beeping or alert away. So yeah, it's a pretty nice unit, and I'm glad that I got this. So I know exactly which tire is below the standard setting. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. So once your tire is low, you see the icon right there in the middle section right there. It gives you a warning. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.